welcome. If you're tired of Snapchat showing Discover Stories previews on your lock screen where anyone can glance at them, this quick guide will help you clean that up in just a minute. By the end, your notifications will still come through, but the content will stay private. Let's get straight into it. First, open your phone's settings. This is where all the control over your apps lives. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find apps and tap on it. Depending on your device, it might also be labeled as apps and notifications, but it's the same place. Now, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Scroll through and tap on Snapchat. This opens the app-specific settings where you can customize exactly how Snapchat behaves. Next, tap on Notifications. Here, you'll see all the different types of notifications Snapchat can send you. Instead of turning everything off, we're going to fine-tune one specific category. Look for notification categories and tap on it. This section breaks down notifications into smaller groups, giving you more control. Scroll until you find Stories and Discover, then tap on it. Once you're inside, look for the lock screen option. Tap on that and you'll see a few choices. Select Hide Content. This setting keeps the notification itself visible but removes any preview text or details from showing on your lock screen. And that's it. From now on, when Snapchat sends you Discover Stories notifications, they won't reveal any content unless your phone is unlocked. This is a simple tweak, but it makes a big difference for your privacy, especially if you get a lot of notifications throughout the day. If you found this helpful, stick around for more quick and easy tech tips.